This is going to be a quick video to demonstrate how I replace a spring in my Sandwell joystick. I made a jig from some scrap 2x4 with a hole in it that is just deep enough to retain the joystick. Put in that little hole. Use a mounting screw. You only need two. Then you use a small flat tip screwdriver and you put it into one of the slots on the E-clip, and you don't pry out, you twist. All right, the E-clip is off, the cover is off. Remove the spring, put the new spring in, cover goes back on. Get your E-clip started in the slot. You don't have to get it fully engaged. Once it's started, it'll stay there. Take some needle nose pliers, pop it in place. That's it. If you have any questions, post below.